Okay, just upgraded the Renogy 20 amp to a 40 amp. I wish I did it in the beginning, but putting 2 more solar panels on the roof. And this is the first step. And this is my high boost. And there's the antenna, which I can move around. And the antenna's on the roof, which you'll see. And that's it. Hello everyone. Okay, so I'm in Lackawanna State Park campground. I come here a lot. Just a little update and kind of review on my Renogy solar system. I'm calling this one part 3 because I'm going to insert some photos and short videos of the install. So it's not a whole video on the install, but I'm going to show you what I did. I went from the original, and there's my thoughts on Renogy. Could be this, but it could be good. Okay, so I originally purchased a 200 watt premium solar kit, which it included a 20 amp controller and 2 100 watt panels and all the cables and wires and connectors, and it was a very good kit. And that was from the Renogy site, and everything seemed good. I installed it. I have 2 videos on that. Watch them if you didn't. I installed 2 105 amp hour AGM batteries under my dining room seat, and everything went great. What happened was, when I wanted to install 2 more solar panels, my goal was to bring it to 400 watts. I contacted Renogy. They said I couldn't do it. On the website, in the FAQs, it says, can you add panels? And it says, yes, you can. Ends up, you got to know a lot more. You got to know all the amps and the watts and this and that. Yes, I didn't know that. But they need to make it a little more understandable to the average George or the average Joe, or whoever it might be. Because they don't make it. They make it sound like, oh, yeah, you can add more. So I couldn't. So I ended up on Amazon from the Renogy store. Okay, let's back up a second. I paid around $350 for the kit, original kit. On Amazon, from Renogy store, which they don't list on the Renogy site, 2 100 watt panels, like I got in the original set, but it comes with a 40 amp controller. I would have bought that in the beginning. So it ends up, I bought that, another $200, but I got everything I needed. So I replaced the controller, which wasn't an exact fit because the 40 amp is actually, even though it looks the same, it's larger than the 20 amp. So me and my brother, we installed it. He installed it. He did a lot of work. Give my brother Mike a lot of credit. Installed that. We put the 2 more 100 watt panels on the roof, and everything went good. We had to do some adjustments up there to make it fit, and you'll see in the pictures, my plan was to have 2 and 2, but I now have 3 to front front to rear and one side to side. But all is good, and that's all I ever want on this RV. This is all I want. I might upgrade my batteries to lithium, and that would double my size in batteries. But right now, I'm happy with all that. So my thoughts are, everything is great. Customer service for Renogy, you get somebody quick, very friendly, very helpful. But even though you're supposed to be talking to a technician, it still feels like it's just a call center and they're reading off a screen. But they did help me, so I can't say that. I just disputed the fact that they don't explain it too good on the website. So my thoughts on it, I'm very happy. Everything's working fine. To see, the pictures are going to be there, they upgrade, but it shows my whole system between, now there's 3 videos, 1, 2, and now the third one, which is going to be this, what I'm talking right now. Pictures of the install and what I'm saying right now. In the future, I'll do a review of how everything is working, because right now I don't know. I'm still trying to make it work right, and I don't understand the whole workings of it. So when I start doing more traveling, with sun, I've been out for 5 days over here, and really not much sun. So when I do some traveling, have sun, can put the solar system to the test, then yeah, maybe I'll do a review video on the whole system, the setup, and this is where I am. Lackawanna State Park. Beautiful park. Lots of things to do, especially in the summer. The winter, there's stuff. There's hunting, there's snowshoeing, there's horseback riding. There's a lot of stuff here. So keep watching out. A lot more upgrades coming on the video, and a lot of travel coming up. So keep an eye out. Have a good day, and like and subscribe. Have a good day.